arreglada, por fin. No parezco perra, gata barata. Me siento Maribel Guardia, no sé ustedes, ¿verdad? Me parezco como Maribel Guardia. I'm just kidding. No, literally, I need to start getting put together, right? If I do unboxings, I look raggedy and like beat up with no makeup, my hair not done, like whatever. So especially now, since I get like a ton of unboxings and I sit down for a day, like I should at least look put together. Today I did an Instagram listen, I'm barely trying out the products that I got from Mitzi from June. Yesterday I barely did a May Ipsy look, but yesterday I didn't have any boxes to unbox, so today is the next day. So today I have 3 boxes I need to unbox that I received yesterday. Okay, so the first box is from Babe Original. The first box is from Babe Original. Okay, so let's see. So Babe Original has campaigns, and I go to my dashboard and then they're like, hey, if you want to opt in, so like participate, just submit, enter, right? And then few weeks pass, I receive my products, and then I have to create content with them. I do have like a link for y'all to shop, so I kind of get like commission if y'all do decide to purchase. I've never had somebody use my link, so I don't know why. It's just amazing. Their line is amazing, right? But this is gifted, this is not paid. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Babe Locks Densifying Conditioner. I already have this one. I already tried it for months. I love it. It smells very good, like argan oil. It makes my hair look healthy, like soft and like pretty. And oh yeah, look at my hair extension. I'm matching today. I'm wearing purple and pink, and look, I even put on hair clips, some cute earrings, some rhinestones, some colorful lashes. Like I went all out today. And like a cute new bra Parade sent me. This fits so nice, so super comfortable. I do have a discount code for them. This is Parade too. Like I was like, I need a chichita. So tiny. Anyway, I'm trying to like be more feminine. That's not my look. I'm more like relaxed, chill, not so much tomboy, maybe a little, like just Nikes, jeans, and shirts. So I need to try to be more feminine, like, you know, cuter. But like even my nails are done, everything is done. I just didn't shower. Oh my gosh, I'm done. Okay, I am gonna shower, okay, after this. But like, it's funny, like I look all cute together, but I'm kidding. No, I don't stink. I mean, just believe me. Like, oh, somebody's calling. Spam risk $9.80. I don't know if it's important. Sometimes I should answer, but I don't feel like it. Okay, anyways, I hope it's not important because I'm waiting calls. Okay, whatever. So this is made without sulfate. So this basically doesn't have any chemicals for your hair, alright? This is like very good for your hair, okay? I have the matching shampoo. So yeah, I wish there was shampoo. Oh yes, I have the shampoo. Yes, I needed a restock. Yes, oh my gosh, I'm so happy because, girl, I'm running out. I'm like halfway, no, like around here. I don't know, but this lasts me a while. But I'm also using other shampoos I've received, so I like change it up. So for photo shoots, special occasions, like I need to go out somewhere, I use this line, you know, to make it last, because it's expensive kind of to me for a shampoo. It's worth it, trust me. Or for me, this is good for hair growth, for volume, for, you know, I especially use it because I struggle with oily scalp, okay? My hair used to get dirty really quick, even if I didn't work out, even if I didn't go outside, even if I didn't use heat, if I just had it natural and I didn't do anything to it, my hair would get super oily quick from my scalp. From here it's always dry, right? So especially now that I have thinner hair, because whenever I was like a kid or a teenager, I didn't have that issue, and then I turned like in 20s, and I'm still in my 20s, by the way. That's when I noticed my hair getting super oily in my scalp, like my texture changed completely. So weird, right? So this line actually helps me not have super oily scalp, greasy hair, so I can go days without my hair looking like disgusting and greasy. Like right now I need to wash it. Okay, it's a little greasy, but you can really tell it doesn't look so bad like before. If I wouldn't use this, it would look like musty, like I'm a homeless person, to be honest. Like in my older videos you could tell. Yeah, so like with these shampoo products, I noticed I can, not shower. No, not sure. No, because listen, you can shower every day, but not your hair every day. So what I mean is I don't have to wash my hair every day there. So yeah, so probably people think, oh, it's just 2-3 day old hair. No, it's probably like 4 or 5 day old hair, and it looks like I barely have like dirty hair. It's pretty cool. So if you struggle with the same problem as me, like getting super oily and dirty quick when it comes to your hair, scalp, then this works for you. Trust me, like if you have thin oily hair, just get it. It's gonna work, okay? You don't have to use my discount link. It's like a discount code. You save a little bit of money, and I do get a little bit of commission, but it's whatever. I really don't care to be honest if people use it or not, but just buy it. I think you can even buy it like at Costco now. Like I don't know what other places in person. I don't know if in the drugstore already. I don't know, but for sure Costco, or just shop online. So yeah, okay, so that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I haven't tried this mascara. I didn't enter because I was like, I already have mascara. But I've tried one of their mascaras, but not this one. It's pretty nice, but I don't need any. I'm sweating. So oh yeah, and I have eczema here. I didn't put makeup in my forehead. I just cream. Only put makeup here, like from the brow down. But as you can see, it's tiny red bumps. It's eczema. I'm flaring. It's been like months since I flared up. I don't know why, but it's pretty cool that it's not as severe, but it's still kind of like a little itchy. Not right now because I put the cream. But anyways, I'm getting distracted. Okay, thank you so much, Babe Original, for gifting me these products. I'm obviously not gonna show you how I look in the shower. I mean, it would be a cool idea, but not in my ghetto ass ratchet restroom. Okay, it don't look cute. It's not aesthetically pleasing. If not, I would have done it, but no. So and I don't have like a tripod. Anyways, that's it for this video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.